I just want to make this quick video for a Mcculloch Super 250 or a Mcculloch 141 chainsaw. If you have problems with the winder, this thing that pulls the crank to start, if you feel like your spring snapped and whatnot, you need to get in there, and you don't know where to go from there, follow the advice of this back plate that says to take this spindle off, you have to screw it clockwise, which is what I did. What I ended up doing is, oh crap, I put a small screwdriver in this keeper right here. That keeper through the spring keeper right there. So you already know what I'm talking about. So like this, ended up locking it that way, and I ended up using a open-end wrench or a crescent wrench to just go ham, going clockwise, whatever this thing says. Like, you know, I gave it hell clockwise and it came off. That's just a tip for you guys, save you guys the headache, in case you're wondering if what the heck this means, whatever. You probably figured it out already, but I wanted to make a quick video. All right, peace.